Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable Windows Defender firewall protection notifications you may receive on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in Windows Security. Best results should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, you want to select virus and threat protection. And then on the right side, go down and select whatever virus and threat protection settings is on the page. Select manage settings. And then scrolling down again, underneath notifications, select change notification settings. And then you want to go versus firewall and network protection notifications, toggle that on. Select yes in a user account control prompt I'm sure you guys will receive. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.